that was scary. What's good, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've decided that I'm gonna do a reaction video to the Loco Holophonic. I'm gonna be looking at the video on my phone, and hopefully this all works out and I can actually record it. I'm going to put in these, I forgot what they're called, headphones, earphones, whatever. Okay, and so I should be able to, I gotta look at it on my phone. So it's starting like a sonido holophonic. Yeah. It sounds like rain. I'm already scared. Oh my god. The rain is already scaring me, but you know, didn't that happen? Oh gosh. It sounds very realistic. Hold up now. I don't know why somebody's kind of sounds like they're breathing. Now, oh. It sounds like they're like behind me and they're breathing. Anyways. Why are they slamming doors? That was scary. I just want to say thank you for watching, and subscribe, like, and comment.